Welcome back to Norm's Crypto Corner. Today is April 15th, and Sentinel Prophet AI has just dropped 10 new live crypto signals. These trades are active, real-time, and tracked. Let's take a quick look at the batch. Fill, entry at $2.51, confidence 51.6%, RSI 32. ETH, entry at $1,637.96, confidence 59%, RSI 3.29. Ton, entry at $2.99, confidence 51.6%, RSI 33.33. ARB, entry at 29 cents, confidence 55.4%, RSI 44. DOT, entry at $3.667, confidence 50.1%, RSI 34.62. Link, entry at $12.58, confidence 52.3%, RSI 30.77. Near, entry at $2.101, confidence 52.3%, RSI 30.77. INJ, entry at $7.91, confidence 58.7%, RSI 7.69. STX, entry at $0.592, confidence 63.2%, RSI 50. AVAX, entry at $19.69, confidence 58.7%, RSI 10. Each trade follows SPAI's standardized logic. Confidence above 50%. RSI favoring potential reversals. Risk managed with take profit set at 6% and stop loss at 3%. Keep an eye on INJ. With an RSI of just 7.69, this is one of the deepest oversold setups we've seen this month. SPAI isn't reacting to noise, it's watching for rebound setups like this in real time. To see the full live list, visit the Notion link in the description. Each signal is updated daily. Each trade is tracked with real-world entries, exits, and outcomes. This is how SPAI works. AI-backed. Real-time. Built for transparency. See you in the next update.